Hey class, for Communication Fundamentals 1. So we're on the last week of the semester. Well, actually next week is the last week, but we're on one of the last weeks of the semester, and we're doing the last weeks of symposiums. So this is week 11 of symposiums, and let's finish off strong. So I picked an impromptu speech. I picked prompt 3, which is your own heart is your guru. Your own heart is your guru, okay? So this quote is by Swami Shivananda. Swami Shivananda. So for people who don't know who this person is, he was born September 8th, 1887, and died July 14th, 1963, okay? So he was a Hindu spiritual teacher and proponent of yoga. He studied medicine and served in the British Malaya as a physician for several years. He lived most of his life near Munikireti, okay? So this is in India, for people who don't know. He was the founder of the Divine Life Society, which was founded in 1936, if somebody wants to know, and the author of over 200 books of yoga, Vedanta, and a variety of subjects. Okay, so now that we know who this person is a little bit, his religion is Hinduism, he's Indian, and he's the founder of Divine Life Society, okay? So let's get back to the quote. The quote is, your own heart is your guru. So what does this mean? And what is Swami Shivananda trying to tell us with this quote? Okay, so what it means to me is there's two major decision factors, okay, throughout your life. It's either your mind or your heart. When you have to take a decision, you always take a decision with one of these two things or with a mix of both of these. So what Swami is trying to tell us is always try to follow what your heart says. Because what this means to me is if you don't follow your heart, you might regret that decision in the future. So let's say for example, okay, this is a stupid example. Let's say that the love of your life. So you got the love of your life, and then you got a new job opportunity. So your mind is telling you, but the new job is in a different city. So you can't be with your love. Okay. So let's say that this new job opportunity, your mind is telling you, take the job, it's the best for you, whatever. But then your heart is telling you, no, you met the love of your life here, and you can't just leave the love of your life for this new job. Like you'll find something else, okay? So which one do you pick? That's the question. Which one do you pick? And a lot of people pick they think with their mind and they won't think with their heart. And I'm a person that thinks with their heart, and I believe that if you don't do your decisions with your heart, you might later regret in your life what would have happened if something beautiful would have happened to you in that point in your life, if you would have thought with your heart instead of your mind. So I think this is a very strong quote by Swami Shivananda, and a very beautiful and loving quote to finish off the semester. So my recommendation is always follow your heart, but smart. Follow your heart, but smart. And thank you for this class. I've learned a lot in this class, making a lot of speeches, a lot of write-outs, and hope you guys have a good semester. Thank you.